I'm meteorologist Adam Stiles. We're down here at Woodbine Beach. It's a little cool for beach weather, but the sun is out, and the most important thing that we could set ourselves up with this week is dry weather. It's not dry all across the province right now, though. We still are seeing some showers hanging off into eastern Ontario. There's even a little bit of snow that is falling right now in the Ottawa Valley up back toward Algonquin, and we're going to see this system slowly starting to pull out of the area as this sluggish area of low pressure is parked over Quebec, and it pretty much stays there. We have the big trough of low pressure hanging over us, but a big ridge for areas off toward the west. And take a look at this temperature dispersal. It's almost 30 degrees in through portions of Iowa and into Nebraska. Meanwhile, South Dakota is just sort of on that borderline, and we're going to be stuck into this cooler pool of air. In fact, it's 0 right now in Timmins, it's 5 in Sudbury, it's 4 in Ottawa, and temperatures tonight are going to get down to about 1 degree here in the city. But we are going to see that ridge of high pressure starting to build in for us, and will eventually start to warm up as we get toward the end of the week. But that is going to be slow going here. Temperatures running well below the seasonal mark, that frost risk in play here. We do have that dry weather, as I mentioned, hanging on until we get into the day on Saturday when showers are expected to return. But we'll still see a little bit of cloud cover. We're still going to stick with the cooler air, but the rain that sets up as we get in toward the weekend looks like it's going to be somewhat moisture starved, that system that'll be bringing the rain, and that'll keep us in with the, for the most part, dry weather all week, and just a little bit of rain added to some fairly saturated ground. So hopefully it'll just continue to look drier and drier as we get toward the end of the week and into the weekend. But right now I do have rain in the forecast for Saturday, Sunday, and into Monday. On our Futurecast model, we're going to get into more sunshine during the day on Wednesday, and that looks to be holding on through a good chunk of the day. There'll be a few clouds that'll come passing by here over the next few days. But when you look at the forecast tonight, we're going to see temperatures that'll be about 6 degrees. Winds are out of the north, 15 to 20 kilometers per hour. Into the morning tomorrow, we're starting the day near 1 degree. It's been a while since we've given the green light on the car wash. Go ahead and get that washed up this week because it'll last until the end of the week and into the weekend. Sunshine expected through midday with temperatures near 9 degrees and the wind starting to shift around. They're also going to become a little bit lighter, which will be nice. They'll pick up into the afternoon coming in off the lake. So areas down here like by the beach, about 8 or 9 degrees for a high temperature. Away from the lake, you're going to get up to 12, but we're going to add some cloud cover as we head into the afternoon. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We have temperatures that'll be near 12 degrees tomorrow, 13 on Wednesday, then up to 14 degrees. There is the risk of a little spotty drizzle coming our way on Thursday, but not really enough to make that much of a mention about here with the rain chances. As we get into the weekend, though, some on and off showers starting on Saturday. As we get into Sunday, it is some light rain. And then as we get into Monday, we are going to find that temperatures will be near 17 degrees. Sorry, guys, that wind chill should not have showed up there. That's a little iPad glitch, as we like to say. 17 degrees there for Monday with some spotty rain showers. The overnight low temperatures tonight, it's the only time we're going to really have to worry about frost this week. Looks like we'll get some warmer overnight lows setting up as well. That's a check on your forecast.